Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and am I excited? I don't think I've ever been this excited about a radio. And what I'm going to do, which is something I don't normally do, I'm going to do an unboxing because I want you to know about this radio as soon as possible. So I just got it last night. I took it out of the box, I charged the battery, and I played with it for about 30 seconds. And was just blown away. And I go, I gotta let people know about this because this is going to be in high demand. Now this is available from these people right here. That's who sent it to me on Amazon. It's about $130. It's multi-band, Bluetooth, TF card, music player, and it has a very, very unique feature that I don't think I've seen in any radio. I don't think I have. Maybe there is out there, but I haven't seen it, at least in a receiver. Now, I've seen them in transceivers, but not a receiver. So we're going to just unbox this, and I'm going to show you what it is, and then I will learn how to use it, and then I'll do subsequent videos on showing you how it works. I will turn it on because another thing that blows me away is the display. So here we go. Comes in a nice box. It's huge. Carrying handle on the box here, very heavy box. Okay, down in the box on this side we have the radio. Oh, and the radio is heavy. I'm just going to set this down here for a second. Now, one of the reasons the radio is heavy is it has 3 rechargeable batteries, 3 18650 batteries. They're 2,500 milliamp hours each. Wow, lots of power. So take this off. This is what's unusual. Look at this thing. Looks like a radio by itself. Let me get the packing off. Do you know what this is? Do I have it upside down? No, I got it right side up. No, I got it upside down. Here it is. This is a radio signal repeater. Yeah, it goes with this radio. You're saying, what? That's what I said, what? What this is you can put this like in a window where you get better reception, and this will pick up the stations for you. And you put an antenna right here, and then here's the controls, and there's the charging port, and there's where you put an external antenna, so you can have both. And so this sits up on a wall or in a window where it can get better reception. This is something I've always needed. I have 2 situations. One is I have a Radio Shack downstairs, which is my converted garage, where I have all my external antennas coming in. But in the summertime, it's unbearable down there. And if I got a little room air conditioner, I turn that on, it's so noisy I can't. So I'm up here in my office, which I don't have very many, maybe 1 or 2 external antennas coming in. So I have to use typically telescopic antennas, which reception is not as good as it could be. So that's where this is going to come in. I can hook up an antenna or plug in an antenna on that thing, pop it in a window or on a wall, and get much better reception. Awesome. Okay, we got more. Okay, there's the manual. Big print manual. There's even a manual for the repeater. And there's showing the antenna that it comes with and an external wire antenna if you want to use an external wire antenna. And then if I can get the box over here, I can get to it. Down on the bottom of the box is more stuff. I mean, this just blows me away. Okay, one thing you get is you get a nice carrying pouch for the radio and its accessories. Accessories. Here's one bag. There's a stereo audio cord and a charging cord. It charges USB. And if I could kind of show it to you real quick. See that little blue thing? That's a screwdriver and a brush. And what I saw in one video, the only videos I've seen are in Asian language. They said this is for cleaning the inside of the radio, the battery connections and stuff like that. Wow, who would have thought they'd give you that? Now, in the other pouch is the antenna that goes onto the repeater, a wire antenna that goes on the repeater, and another charging cord to charge the battery in the repeater. It has its own built-in battery. Totally amazing. Now, let's look at the radio briefly, because I barely use it. I just turned it on. Really nice looking radio. It really looks nice. Nice knobs, metal knobs. They don't look cheap. It's stereo. It's got a speaker on this side and a speaker on this side. Connections here. We have auxiliary input there, so you can use this as a speaker amplifier, headphone jack. On the back, we have another antenna connection for external antenna plugged directly into this. It was super bass port, telescopic antenna, charging port. Over here we have TF card. Yes, you can record and play back on a TF card. Look at all the buttons. This thing is really, really easy to use. There's not a bunch of sub-menus you have to go through. Got, I don't know, a dozen buttons here to go directly to the various options. Now, let's look at the manual quickly. And like I say, it says it comes with three, excuse me, I thought it said three, but it says two 18650 batteries. Okay, my mistake. Look at all the information it displays. A band, signal noise ratio, RSSI. That's audio signal on the bar on the side. There's all the buttons. Look at all the buttons. Bluetooth, band scan, yeah, ATS, sleep timer, clock, of course, individual volume, and the big tuning knob and a little tuning knob, multifunction. Let's see. Here we go, bands. Here's the bands. FM, medium wave, short wave, air band, VH and UHF goes from 25 megahertz to 999, and weather band. Whoa, this thing, just unbelievable. That's why I wanted to do a quick unboxing and just show it to you real quick. Now, it also, and you can remember some of the other radios I've showed you, it also uses this application to control the radio. And I've showed you other radios that use this application, which makes it really easy to do different things. On some of the other radios, some of the things were hard to find on the radio where they were easy to find on this screen. So it's got that capability. I mean, gee whiz, this is unbelievable. Okay, I think I got got equalizer. Yeah, that's good enough. All right, let's just turn it on real quickly. On off is right here. First it shows you the time, and then you push and hold, and then it goes into sleep timer mode, which I didn't want it to do. Okay, well, we won't worry about that. I shouldn't have pushed and held, because that puts it in sleep timer mode, and then you can select the sleep timer length. Look at that display. I am really hooked on color displays. I'm sorry. To me, it really stands out. Because there's the audio level. We're at 15,550 on the medium wave band. A few minutes ago, I did a band scan just using the telescopic antenna and the built-in antenna. Here is the telescopic antenna. And look at this. Something else that they've added. See these two little notches here? That helps support the antenna in two positions. Who would have thought of that? That is so cool. And then we can extend this. It's about 20 inches. Now, when I did a band scan just sitting here in my office using, I guess it has an internal medium wave antenna, I got about 23 stations, loud and clear. One thing was good or great about this radio is it didn't capture a lot of noise. A lot of radios that do a band scan and 30% of the signals they've caught and saved are just noise. And then I did an FM. We go to FM. Let's go to band. There's shortwave. There's NOAA. And there's FM. And if I go to memories, if I go backwards, it found 29 strong, very clear stations. Now, in my area, within 40 miles, there are approximately 43 possible stations. Some of them are not always on the air all the time. So we got 30 using the built-in telescopic antenna sitting here on my desk. That's not using the repeater. So I'm going to be blown away if this thing really does what I expect it to do. Especially since I can put this in a window or on a wall. Just totally amazing. We can do a quick scan right here. I got the volume off because I don't want to play music. I was playing it, but it was very low. So we push and hold here, the band button, and it starts scanning very quickly. And you can see the memory number. It's 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 29. The blinking symbol right here looks like an antenna, and it's got EXT. That's saying that it's trying to connect to that repeater to use it. And I assume that also means that it's using the internal telescopic antenna because it got all those stations. It's just awesome. Let me see if I can, I did show it to you. Let me show it to you again real quick. I wish it was in color of all the things that it displays on the screen. I didn't see, and I just glanced, I didn't see anything about decoding RDS data from FM. So I don't think it does that. It does everything else. And then here is the definitions of all those symbols on the screen. This says on the bottom it's got support frame. Let me look on the bottom. Let me put this down carefully. And look on the bottom here. Oh, it's got little feet here. Yeah, so you can get it sitting up on an angle. There you go. They really thought of everything. I am really blessed that those people at ZWHIS sent me this radio, because this is brand new. It's got so many functions. It's $130. Definitely, so far, if the reception is good and AM and FM showed pretty good, then this is a radio to get. This covers everything. That's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And we're going to do several, probably half a dozen shows on this radio because it has so many features. Have a great day. Bye-bye.